Okay, and now for the last example with absolute values and inequalities. We have a double variable situation here with gray Tor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with just rewriting the original to z minus 5 greater than or equal to z plus 5. Since it's a gray Tor, I'm going to say or. I'm going to keep my absolute value the same. I'm going to flip the sign and I'm going to make this side negative, z plus 5, and that whole side is negative, so that's why I'm using the parentheses. Okay, so I'm going to go back and solve my original problem. I'm going to add 5, subtract z. So we get z is greater than or equal to 10, or I'm going to distribute my negative. I'm going to add z to both sides. So that's 3z minus 5 is less than or equal to negative 5. I'm going to add 5. So this is 3z is less than or equal to 0, which is allowed. Divide by 3, so z is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so here's my answers. Let's put these on an inequality line and then we'll do our interval notation. So I'm going to find negative 10. Oops. Sorry about that. Okay, negative 10. And I need a bracket, and z is greater, so I'm going to the right. Since it's or, I'm just going to keep that going. Then I'm going to have 0, bracket, less than, so I'm shading to the left. So since this is an or problem, as long as I fit one or the other, then my number will be an answer. And so since our whole inequality line is shaded, this is an all real number situation, or negative infinity to infinity. Okay, if it was an and, it would just be negative 10 to 0. But since it's an or, there you go.